Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to add Anthropic's Claude AI extension for Excel. So Anthropic has a support article and they detail how to install it, but I find their instructions a little bit clumsy and there's a little quicker way to actually install Claude for Excel. So before we dive in, a prerequisite is going to be you need to have a paid plan. So it can be Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise plan. But if you're currently on the free plan, you cannot take advantage of the add-in. Also, the add-in is supported on Excel for Web, Windows, Mac, and iPad as long as the version or build number is newer than what is listed here. Okay, so first off, we need to make sure we have Excel installed. I'm going to assume you already have Excel installed. You're going to come here and click Add-ins and just search for Claude. Hit Add, and it might take a few seconds while the add-in loads. You can see down here it says Loading Add-ins, and before long it will pop in here. Okay, so once the add-in is loaded, you'll see this Claude icon here. Go ahead and click the Claude add-in icon, and you'll see it start to load here. And if it's the first use, it will ask you to authenticate with your Claude account. So this is where you'll hit login, and it says your browser should open up. And let's see here. And you'll get the message here to authorize. We'll hit authorize here. And then you need to click the button and then paste it into Excel in Claude. So we're going to copy it here and we'll jump back over to Excel, paste the sign-in code here, and we are signed in and ready to use Claude in Excel. If you have any questions, feel free to post those in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching.